Google Keeps tutorial. I'm going to show you all the tips and tricks right here. So hello there and welcome back to another video on this channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Google Keeps. So let's get started. First of all, you have to go over to your browser, or if you're using phone, you just have to search for Google Keeps on your Play Store or App Store and just head over to this site or app, you can say. Now this is the interface of Google Keeps. From here you can create or edit labels. From here you can check out this take a note option. You can create a note, you can add a title, for example sleeping routine, and then you can take a note before sleeping drink water, okay, something like that. Now let's say you want to add some customization to your this site. Okay, let me make the text perfect. Okay, now on the formatting options here, you can just choose your size of the text. Here you can just choose them. You can make it bold by clicking this side. You can make it bolder, you can make it italic. Also you can add underline if you wish to, but right now I would not like to add underline. And here you can see this. You can also clear formatting if you wish to. Now let's say you want to customize it to add some colors. Here you can see this option, color option. Now you can just choose them and you can change the background theme. Here you can just choose them. Also this is the default one. Here you can check this out. This is the default one. So this is what it looks like. So there we go, the note has been created. You can check it out, and if you want you can edit it more, for example like this. Okay, you can edit it according to your need, just edit it and that's it. So this is what a note looks like. Now you can download it, or you can say you can archive it, but I'm gonna undo it. Let me show you where is the archive file. Here you can see the archive file, and from here you can unarchive it anytime you need. Now let's see this side. You can tap onto this remind me option. Here you can tap onto remind me later option. Here later, today, tomorrow, next week, you can just tap onto them and you can choose it. You can change the time, date and etc. from here. For example, I'm going to choose it to 25th of May. Time would be evening at 6 p.m. and if you want it to repeat, then you can tap onto daily. Also you can choose the weekly, monthly, yearly option. Also there's a custom options here. You can customize it according to your need. If you want it to repeat after every 1 day or 2 day, you can choose it. And if you want it to enter, so you can tap onto after 2 occurrences or 3 occurrences, and then you can tap done. Also now you have to save it up. So this is how you can do it. Also you can go back, you can pick a place if you wish to. You can choose a location from here very easily, and that's it. Now here you can see this collaborator option. Just simply tap onto the collaborator option, and there you go. You can see these collaborator options, Baraka Technology. You can also add, okay, let's tap on got it. You can also add more people if you wish to, but for now this is enough. If you want to add more owners, you just have to type in the email, then you have to save it up right from here. Very easy. So this is how you can customize a note. Here you can see this image option. You can also add images if you wish to. Let's open up this image, and okay, the file size cannot be less than 10 MB and 25 megapixels. So let me find a larger file type. Okay, so you need a larger file type. Okay, let me choose this one. Okay, this one is perfect. So let's see, the image has been added to it. So this is what it will looks like. So you can check it out, and if you want you can delete one and keep one like this. So this is what it looks like. And by clicking on the three dot option, you will see a lot of option to delete the note. You can add labels options, like you can make it different label. You can customize it by category if you want. Just enter the label name and you can customize it according to your need to another category. You can add drawing to it if you wish to, but I would not like to add any drawing. Okay, let's add a drawing. Let's see how it turns out. Okay, that's enough. And let's tap on the 3D option and export as image, and there you go. You can now add it to your Google Notes, but for now I'm gonna go back, and there you can see this option. I'm gonna delete it. Also gonna delete this. I just showed you how you can do it. So after creating all this thing, let's say you want to share it with other people, so you can tap onto this share option and you can share it. If I told you already how you can do it. So now let's close it up. I hope you understand all the things I showed you just. And you can create more nodes from here. Also you can add images, like you can add images from here. Let me choose this image, and then you can see this. Now you can add title, you can take note, and many more. I'm gonna delete this for now. Let's tap onto delete now, and this is how you can delete your notes. And by clicking onto this drawing icon, you can create your own drawing according to yourself, your need. So you can check it out. You can also add your signatures if you want to. Let me show you. This is fun. Okay, so this is, and now you can save it as images. So this is how it looks like. Absolutely trash. So I'm gonna remove it to, I'm gonna send it to trash. As you can see, it is now on trash labels. Now you can edit labels. You can get labels, for example, high labels. Yeah, now you can create more labels from here if you wish to, and then you can send it to those labels. So you can go to nodes, then you can tap onto this, you can tap onto add labels, you can tap onto this one, and there you go. This is how you can add labels to your Google Keeps option. I hope this video helped you. This is how you can do it, and by clicking on the settings option, you can check out the settings. You can disable the tag theme if you wish to. You can send feedback, you can download the app, and you can also check out the keyboard shortcuts here. You can check them out. And there are also the settings options here. You can choose reminder options from here. For example, the default one is morning 8 a.m. from morning 8 a.m. to afternoon 1 p.m. to evening 6 p.m. You can choose them up according to your need, and you can, if you want, you can just delete them. And for example, I'm going to show you how you can do it, and then enable sharing this option. So that's it. And by clicking on list view, you can check it out on the bigger icons, and you can refresh this icon also. So that what it looks like, Google Keeps. So if this video helped you, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care. Goodbye. See you on to another video. Goodbye. Hope this video was helpful, and I will suggest you to use Google Keeps if you regularly keep notes. And if you forgot about your daily tasks, then keep a note using Google Keeps, and let me know that what type of video you want to see. Goodbye.